On Nairobi County primaries, following today's early morning invasion of the warehouse where election material had been stored, which caused quite a lot of disruption and confusion, this led to the cancellation of the exercise. It was decided that the County Election Committee be disbanded and a new one appointed to arrange and facilitate a fresh nomination exercise. On Migori and Homa Bay counties, the Central Committee approved the National Elections Board's recommendation to suspend gubernatorial results of the nominations exercise in the two counties. So we have suspended the results for the governor position. The other positions' announcements remain.
We expect a peaceful process, and anybody who's involved in violence, action by anybody will be taken, and such a person will be disqualified immediately.
In areas where it is seen that the process has been flawed in one or another, we shall call for a repeat. The aspirants were aware that when there's malpractice and it can be proved, where the decision can be changed by the hierarchy of the party, that shall be done, and where it is necessary that we hold a repeat, of course that had been agreed upon.